Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2011 Kawasaki Vulcan Voyager. And I want to show you, this is one fine touring machine right here. It's a 1700cc liquid cooled V-twin. It is nice. Little front disc brakes, a new tire on the front, a little chip right here on the front of this fender, and just a couple of other tiny little rock pecks on it. The lower leg fairings look good. Got a set of highway pegs. Beautiful blue and silver two-tone. AM/FM stereo. Bike's got 16,256 miles on it. Full instrumentation. Got the radio controls over here on this side. Got electronic cruise control over here on this side. I don't know if that's the factory grips or not, but they're really nice grips, very comfortable. Let you listen to it. Put you a battery tender on it right there, battery tender lead. 1700cc with a 6-speed. Lockable hard bags, nice tour pack. It's Vance & Hines exhaust on it. Beautiful condition. Looks like a little spot. Well, I think that just rubbed off. It's probably wax. Yeah, it's wax. Been really taken nice care of. Somebody knew how to take care of their motorcycle. It's like it's been an inside bike. Set of speakers, chrome trim around it there. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. A little wax right there. Good tire on the back, rear disc brake. Belt drive bike. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. Bike went through our shop and was checked out, inspected and serviced, and it's ready for the highway. Got some excellent financing options on our motorcycles and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.